Hi everyone, I'm Thomas, developer evangelist at Wordcab, and today I want to introduce you to our new summarization tool. It's on Discord and it's called Discord TLDR by Wordcab. So I will show you how to use it. It's pretty simple. Once the bot is logged in on your server, you just type in the summarize function, and you have two mandatory parameters, size and time frame. Size will determine the length of the summary. For the demo I will use short, and time frame is selecting how many messages you want to summarize. So if I put 1 week, I will get all the last week messages. If I choose 3 days, I will have all the last 3 days chat and so on. So for the demo, I had a quick chat with Lizzie and it was 3 hours ago. So just to be sure to include everything, I will use 4 hours. Language is the source language of the chat. So here it's English. By default it's in English, but you can choose German, French, Spanish and Italian if you want to, but here I will choose English. And finally, include chat could be true or false. By default it's on false, and for the demo I will say true. If you say true to include chat, you will receive all the chats used to generate the summary. So here it is, the command is launched, the job, the summarization job is launched, and I should receive quickly the summary in my DM, and here they are. So we got the summary, and we ask it for the chat used for the summary. So we have both in DM. So the chat was about an incoming hackathon, so it's pretty accurate. We were talking about prices and what we are looking for, experienced API software developers. So the summary is pretty nice, and I can also review all the chats used for the summary if I want to. If you say false, you won't get the chat here, so you only get the summary. It's pretty quick, and that's it. I hope you like the Discord bot. Let me know in the comment, and if you think this project is useful and awesome, please upload it on Product Hunt. See you soon. Bye bye.